In this tutorial, we're going to have a look how to install Windows 7 or Windows 8.1 without using a pen drive or a DVD. Make sure you have Windows ISO image ready. Right-click on your computer and select Manage. Go to Disk Management. We want to create a new partition for Windows installation files. To do that, we need to borrow some space from partition C. Click on Drive C and select Shrink Volume. Now type the size for Windows setup partition. It should be big enough to fit Windows installation files on it. I will make mine just under 5 GB. Now click on newly created partition and select New Simple Volume. You can write a custom name if you want. We want to make the partition active, so when we restart the computer, the setup will load, not the old Windows on your hard drive. To do that, click on the partition and select Mark Partition as Active. Now click Yes. Now extract the ISO file directly to the new partition. When procedure has finished, you can restart your computer. Before you continue, you have to make the Windows installation partition inactive again. Press Shift F10. Command prompt will open. Now type diskpart. Next, type list disk. Now type select disk 0. If you have more than one hard drive, you will see more disks, so select the correct one. Next, type list partition. At the moment, the active partition is partition number 3. But we don't want it to be active anymore. To make the partition inactive, we have to set another partition active. So let's do that. Let's set the partition 1 as active, just like it was originally. Type select partition 1. Now type active. Now continue with setup as usual. You can delete all the partitions except Windows installation partition, as that's where Windows setup files are located. Continue setup as usual. Once Windows is installed, you can delete the setup partition if you want to and merge the extra space with a drive C.